How to use the adjustable dental flosser. First, we're going to use the flosser to cut off the right amount of floss. Hold the flosser next to your dispenser like this. Pull the floss out, wrap it around the opening in the back, and pull it back to where you started, and cut it off. That'll give you about 6 or 7 inches, which is just the right amount. Next, we're going to create a loop in both ends of the floss. Hold one end of the floss in this position with your finger, leaving roughly an inch hanging off as a tail. Take the long end, wrap it around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hold in place with your finger. Next, we're going to take this tail and pull it through the trapezoid opening so it comes out the back end, and cross it over the 3 loops that we just created, like that. Hold this in place with this finger and make sure that you keep a tight hold on that finger for the rest of the process. Back here, we're going to pull the 3 loops off the end of the flosser. When you get to this point, be careful to make sure that none of these loops go inside that trapezoid opening. You want to make sure you only have the tail in that opening there. Pull to tighten. This will create a fixed loop. Repeat the same process with the other end. Leave about an inch as a tail, wrap the long end around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Take the tail end, pull it through the trapezoid, cross it over 3 loops, hold in place with your finger. Pull the loops off the end, and pull to tighten. Now you have your second loop. Those same steps can be accomplished with this sleeve already on. To attach, take one end, loop it around one of the pegs on the sleeve, and follow the contours of the flosser to loop it around. I'll place the last loop on one of the pegs and pull to tighten. Using this ratcheting mechanism, you can get this as tight as you want. If as you're flossing, this starts to loosen up a little bit, you can just retighten to get as much tension as you need.